I saw your eyes, a sense of threat that I can't forget. I wanna know who you are.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, The Nth Drives. So today we are gonna see a new video on how to engage cruise control on the Kia Sonet. So basically we all know that every vehicle will accelerate or go forward only when we push the accelerator pedal downwards. So this cruise control is really a very handy feature. So it will actually help to reduce the fatigue that is our leg will be taking a lot of fatigue while we are driving actually. So while on highways, most of the times the highways will be empty, especially when we are driving in the nights or in the days, depending on the traffic and all that situations. So to reduce the fatigue on your leg, you can actually use this cruise control. So now in this video, let's see how we can set the cruise control or how we can use it. So let this traffic be cleared. Meanwhile, I'll just let you know what are the indications that we can see over here and how to activate it and all that stuff. So on this steering, you can see all the controls which are actually mounted on the steering itself. Like there are a lot of controls which are very handy and very useful in day-to-day life. So now we will focus on the cruise control feature itself. So you can see this speedometer symbol on here, right? So I'm just pointing it out here. So this is the actual cruise control button which we will be using most of the times. Like normally, and this is the set and reset button which we will be using most of the times. So now in the instrument cluster, you might be seeing this cruise option, right? So which is not highlighted yet. I'll just let you know. So this cruise button, I'll just cancel it completely. Like see, I just hit it and you can't see anything cruise or anything, whatever it could be. So currently I'm cruising at 89. Like constantly I'm just going at around 90 kilometers per hour, but I'm just using this conventional accelerator pedal. So now let's use the cruise control, as the roads are pretty much not that much traffic is there. So I'm just hitting this cruise button. So you can see the cruise can be activated now. So now I'm just hitting this set button towards downside. So you have to hit it downside and just the cruise is activated. So you can see the cruise is activated at 85 kilometers per hour right now. So you can see my legs are lifted up and I'm not just doing anything, but the car is moving at a constant speed. That is nothing but cruising at a constant speed. So how to there is one more very good feature on this. So if you want to increase the speed of this car right now, so you just don't need to do anything. There are two ways actually, but one handy way which you can do this is the reset button which you are having here. So you just increase the speed. So now it is 86 and it will try to accelerate to 86. Yes. And 87, it will try to accelerate to 87. Yes, it is done. So let me go to 90 straight. So it has accelerated by itself to 90. So let me go to, yeah, there is a little bit of traffic, just let's wait for a moment. Yeah, I guess we are good to go. Yeah, so now let's increase the speed to 100 directly. So I'm just hitting the set button constantly to 100 and the vehicle has reached 100 and it is cruising over there. It is a constant speed that it will be maintaining till the moment you either apply the brake or you either apply the clutch, or you can also do it from here. there is a cancel button over here, right? So if you hit the cancel button also, the cruise will be deactivated. Let me show one by one. So let me hit the brakes now. You saw this, right? So eventually the cruise which got highlighted, it is cancelled now. So now let me set again into the cruise. Now you don't need to do all the steps from the starting onwards. So you just have to hit the set button and the cruise is activated. Now it is at 70. So let me take it to 75. Yeah, now I'm just using this left leg to activate clutch. So basically just disengaging the clutch. So I have just disengaged it and the cruise is cancelled. Now again let me put it to cruise 70. Let's take it up to 100 rapidly. So you can see so even the pickup is also very good when you just hit it to the rapid speeds from 70s to 100s, whatever the speed it could be. Only thing is that you have to be in an appropriate gear so that it will pick up the proper torque and the speeds are maintained. So now we are at 100 cruising speeds. So how to cancel it? The third one, you can just hit the cancel button and the cruise is cancelled and slowly it is decreasing. So I'll just change the lane for this Indica guy and again I'll set it to cruise. So it is again at 85. It will keep on constantly cruising again. So most of the times if you are perfect with this cruise control in your car, it is like pretty much you can almost completely leave the accelerator pedal or the brakes and all the stuff. Sometimes just be careful with my words, whatever that you will be applying with your car. Just have to get used to this because it took for me also initially it was a bit difficult one, because all of a sudden when you activate the cruise control it will just keep on pulling and that will be a bit weird feeling which you will be getting. But once you get to used to it, it will be very fun and you can even start using this in city conditions also, in mild traffic conditions. So that is pretty much fantastic feeling. So now we are cruising at 85. Now the roads are empty, even I am going in the right lane. So let's pick up some speeds. So we are at 95. Okay, there is a vehicle in up front, so let's decrease the speeds. I think we have to brake now. There are two lorries. Okay, I'm at the 6th gear, top gear now. So now let's activate the cruise again, and we can directly increase the speeds. Not 5. I'm just hitting the set buttons. Cruising. Okay, bad luck, the toll road ends from here, and from here I have to be careful because roads are very pathetic here. So I'm just entering the outskirts of Hyderabad. From here it is like 50 kilometers to where the place I live. So hope you got most of the idea, guys. If you need any of the information more regarding the cruise control or regarding the car, whatever that you would like to know about the car or any other information, please comment down below. And of course I can make the videos in English also, and for the people who want it in Telugu also. And this cruise control video is done in both the languages, Telugu and English. So keep supporting, guys. You have been a tremendous audience all the time. Thank you so much. Please like, share and subscribe. Good night.